Namaste everyone and welcome to Data Millennials.
Hey everyone, welcome back to our SQL series. In this video, I am going to show you how you can filter your result set using AND operator in SQL. So we use AND operator when we have to put conditions on multiple columns. Okay, so let's go to our workbench first. Now, think of a scenario where you have to get the employee's data from a table, and the first condition should be is that the employee should be female, then the salary is above a certain limit, and the age is above a certain limit. So the salary would be in a different column, the gender of the employee would be in the another column, right? And age will be in a separate column. So you have to apply condition on all of those three columns, and then once you apply those conditions, then you have to get your result set. Okay, with similar situations like this which I have explained to you, we use AND. Now suppose we are looking at this data, okay, this subscriber base data which I have shown you earlier also in my previous video. So let's take a look into the subscriber base table. Okay, so email underscore data dot subscriber underscore base, right? Okay, so there is some error. Select star. Okay, I forgot to put from. Okay, now we have this one. Now suppose I want to put filter on 4 different columns on this data set, right? So the first filter will be the city should be Agra, okay, or Aligarh. Okay, the city, I want all those subscribers whose city is Aligarh. So I'll write down the conditions first. First one is city equal to Aligarh. Okay, now the second condition on which I want the filtration is that the date of birth should be equal to, or the year of the date of birth, should be greater than 1985. Okay, the third condition which I want to apply is that the subscriber should have subscribed in 2017. Okay, so the year of subscription, so subscribed on, should be equal to 2017, right? And the last condition which I want to put is that he should have subscribed for product A. Okay, so product underscore A is equal to yes. Okay, now when you think about it, it might seem a little bit of complex, right? But it is not. Trust me, it's not. So what we'll do is that we'll take this query and amend it here. So first of all, whatever data you want based on your condition from whichever table, the ideal thing you should do is that you should write this select a star from the table name so that you can see the entire data set first of all. Then based on your priority level or the hierarchy level, you should apply conditions. Okay, so what we should do is that currently our first priority is to get the city as Aligarh, so the subscriber should be from Aligarh. Okay, then what I'll do is that I'll write, the first line is written already, select a star from email data dot subscriber base, which is our table, where I'll put where city is equal to Aligarh. Now the condition is that the subscriber should be from Aligarh and it should have date of birth year above 1985, right? So I'll use the AND operator. If the condition is mandatory. All of these 4 conditions is mandatory, right? So this condition should be true. The second condition should also true with this condition, this first condition. Then with this first condition, second condition, and this third condition should also get true. Similarly, with this first, second, and third, this fourth condition should also get true. Then only we should get the data. Okay, so I'll use and I'll use the year function. The year function is in SQL, which extract the year of the column, whichever column you want to use. If it contains date and time format, then I'll use year of date of birth is greater than or equal to, I'll use year equal to 1985. Sorry, what happened? Yep, 1985. Then the third condition again I'll put where and year should be year of subscribed on. Subscribed on is equal to 2017. And the last condition that I have is product A, he should have subscribed to this product A, right? So I'll put yes. So product A is yes. Now if I run this query, okay, I should get my output for only for those subscribers who are from the city Aligarh, whose date of birth is greater than equal to 1985, their year of subscription is equal to 2017, and they have subscribed for this product A. Okay, so I got 0 results, but I didn't get any error, right? So I'll take this less greater than equal to 2017. Okay, again I'm getting 0 result. So let's see, do we have any product Aligarh has it 1984. Here I can see with this Aligarh date of birth is 1984. So for our example I'll put 1984 here, so that I should get at least 1 record, right? Okay. So for this user, the city is Aligarh, it's matching. Date of birth is equal to 1984, that is matching. These two are true. Then the subscribed on is 2018, this is also true. But product A is not true, that's why it's not returning this record. So if I put it here no, then this row number, this subscriber ID with 10 should appear in my result set. Let's run this query. Okay, sorry, my mistake. Let's run this query. Now I'm getting this. So if I check all the condition here which I have mentioned in the query, all of these conditions should match in this columns. City is Aligarh, that's correct. Date of birth is 1984 or above 1984, that is correct. Subscribed on is 2018, which is greater than 2017, that is fine. And product A is no. Great. So what SQL does in this query is that it's taking first, it takes the entire data set from this table, then it filters out this city Aligarh, the city Aligarh within that result set. So first it only takes first it takes the entire data set, then it basically filter out Algeria and ignore other data set which the data set which doesn't have city as Aligarh. Then you have the city Aligarh, then it search for date of birth which is greater than equal to 1984. So whichever record has year as 1984, it will keep it, otherwise it will ignore the other ones. Similar process goes for subscribed on as well as product A. So for example, when this record, so first when SQL query runs, then it get, I'm just giving you an example that it gets 5000 record, for example, with this entire data set. Then based on this city, it gets 200 or 2000 records which has city as Aligarh, and rest of 3000 which is not Aligarh, which doesn't have a city as Aligarh, it ignore those 3000 records. Then out of these 2000, it checks that whether the date of birth has year 1984 or not. So out of those 2000, for example, it find out that 150 has year equal to 1984. Okay, year 1984 greater than or equal to 1984. So if we minus this 150 from this 2000, okay, so all rest of the record will be ignored, then it will keep only this 150. So at till this point, SQL finds out that 150 record has city as Aligarh and the year for the date of birth is 1984, either 1984 or above 1984. Then it goes to the third condition which we had applied, the subscribed on. So suppose out of this 150, 50 subscriber has subscribed on after or equal to, the year of subscription is after or equal to 2017. Okay, now within these 50, SQL checks the last condition, that the product A is no or not, and SQL finds that there are two record which fulfills all of these conditions. Their city is Algeria, their city is Aligarh, then the year of date of birth is above 1984, subscription is after or equal to year 2017, and they have not subscribed for product A. So that's how the flow goes for this query. So let me know if you guys have any confusion with this AND operator. Okay, we have reached at the end of this video. In our next video, I'll show you how you can use OR operator in SQL queries.
Hey, if you find this video insightful, then do check out other videos and hit the like and subscribe button.